Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping into mining blocks. Now there has been a few updates, particularly to do with the new deposit system that we're going to go and check out. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments, and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are here at the Mining Blocks website. So we're going to jump into our account. This is going to be a super quick update. Not a lot has actually changed with my account per se. Obviously, we only did a video on mining blocks the other week, but obviously there has been a few updates that are coming to the platform. So if we just quickly jump over to Discord, here you can see that basically this is what we're talking about, is the implementation of the new deposit system. Now basically this was put to a vote a while ago. The mining blocks dev or owner wanted to put it out there for you guys to make the choice as to whether you wanted a deposit system that was going to be crypto based. So it wasn't just a point of buying blocks, it was actually a point about investing crypto into the site. And obviously you guys said, yeah, that's what you wanted. So this is basically, here you can see this is how it's going to work. So how will it work? You will be able to create a wallet where you'll be able to deposit however much crypto. Then it says here, will this provoke power inflation? And he says maybe. However, we're planning to add warnings about the risks of depositing crypto. Hopefully this may reduce complaints and false expectations. Yes. And to address that, you have to realize, and I say this about a lot of the programs, pretty much most of the programs that we deal with, if not all of them, there is no guarantee. If you deposit into any website, you know, whether it be ones I promote or other ones elsewhere, there is absolutely no guarantee you are going to get a return on your investment or get that money back. Basically because nothing is guaranteed. Things can go wrong, things can change. So that is what the developer is talking about here, is that you must be aware of that. You've got to realize that yes, you could well invest your crypto, do very well, get a nice return, get a nice profit, but there is always that flip side. Something could change, something could go wrong. So whatever you do, do not put, you know, your life savings into any program, and always only ever use coins or money that you can afford to lose. Do not invest the money that you need for your rent, your food, your car payments, your kids' college fund, because although these sites, you know, mining blocks has been now around for quite a while, you know, it's not going to make you a millionaire overnight. So just be aware of that. And if you're going to invest, use a bit of common sense and invest wisely. Okay, so here's it. Benefits for the investor. They will grow faster. Obviously, you will invest, therefore you can buy miners, therefore you can boost your account, therefore from whatever pool you are in, you should then earn more back. It says here, benefits for free users. They will be able to earn selling items in the marketplace, and in the future selling their blocks to them, yes, through P2P exchange. Now this is the only thing that really sort of bothers me about this, is the P2P thing. Is it's like I've been in programs where you could, you know, it's actually in mining blocks, you used to be able to gift and send people miners. Now if you go into the store, the only things you can gift are power supplies and space expansions, because I believe that whether, you know, that system was getting abused. The same thing, any P2P system is open to abuse. So whether, you know, it's sending blocks or gifting miners or whatever, any P2P system in a program is always open for abuse and the possibility of hacks. Now, obviously, no panic. These guys have done extremely well with their security so far. Obviously, they've had a few DDoS attacks in the past, but generally they weather those storms and we get through them. But the thing is with P2P, I've seen it in other sites, it can end up, if it's not done right, almost like a doorway for people to walk through. So that's all I'd say is basically, if this is going to get implemented, this P2P exchange, is that there's got to be obviously safety aspects and security protocols put in place so those systems can't get abused or possibly, like I say, used as gateways to get to allow hackers into the site. And for those of you that don't know a whole lot about mining blocks, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link to a tutorial in the description. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and a better understanding of how the program works and what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and earn yourself some of these free coins. But if you go right the way to the end of this video, that link will be there also, so you can just click straight on it and get watching. Okay, so here we can see that the deposit system has been released as a beta version. Now, right now, it is not on my account. I've been in there and I can't find it anywhere. Obviously, there is the old deposit system, which basically is just looking at blocks. I'm fairly certain if we go back, we drop back in here, we go here, look, buy blocks. That's the only thing I can see. I don't think there's anything in here. No. I don't even know where else it'd be. It's not in this drop down. So I'm guessing right now for the average person or the average user, it is not available. Obviously, as a beta release, it's probably only being trusted to maybe the moderators and other people that have become close to the developer, and therefore those people, they're just testing that with depositing stuff back and forth and seeing how that's working. So it says additionally, we have to mention this service has a fee that we are covering. However, if we noticed we cannot cover those fees, we are going to have to start charging them for every deposit. For now, enjoy it. So obviously they're doing the nice thing and they're not going to charge you. But in the event of, somewhere, like they say, somewhere down the line, if those charges start racking up to be quite high, therefore they just simply can't cover those charges, you will get charged. You yourself will get charged rather than them paying for the charge through the site. So basically what they're saying is when it does get to general release, then basically just, if you want to take advantage or you want to deposit, take advantage quickly or early, because somewhere down the line you might well get those fees charged to you. So anyway, so obviously it's showing here the deposits, mining rewards. So that would be on probably the devs account that we're looking right here. And I think this is good. I think this is good. I think it's going to bring help a lot of people out. Because all of these free sites, they are hard work. If you want to get through there and build your account being a free player, it is difficult. Obviously, the way you've got to look at it is if you do put in the time, that any coins you withdraw are 100% profit. Whereas obviously anyone that deposits into the site, until they get that investment back, they are not making any profit. So for instance, if someone deposited $100 worth of Tron, until they make that $100 or withdraw that $100 back, they are not making any profit, because you're looking at, you've got to get your investment back before you're making any money. So obviously free players, like I say, it's with the exception of your time, you've not spent anything, so any coins you get out are 100% profit. Okay, so next update is buy views for PTC ads through Faucet Pay has been disabled now. You can use the deposit system instead in order to fund your account. So that says to me that this deposit system should be available, but I can't see it. So I don't know if maybe, I don't know. I mean, my cache is cleared every time I close my browser. So if there's anything new there, it should be visible. Also says here, Solana deposits has been disabled temporarily. As soon as it works again, it will be enabled. So I don't know if this is sort of just saying like in the near future when the deposit system is made available for everyone. Obviously they're talking about a beta version here. And being a beta version, I would have thought it wouldn't be open to everyone. It would only be open to, like I say, a select few people to test it out. But the sort of the way this reads, as if it's sort of like, well, you can use that deposit system instead now. So I'm not quite sure what is actually going on there. But like I say, the fact that that deposit system is either coming or available, let's have a look. So coin payments, here we go. So coin payments, sorry, yeah, I'm thinking coin payments is a system, isn't it, rather than payments in coins. This has been disabled, maybe available in the future. So yeah, so I have no idea where this deposit system is. I can't see it at all in the menu. So as far as I can see, it's not available for me, at least. It's not there. But like I say, I'm sure someone will probably go, it's and point it out to me, and I've just completely missed it, or I'm just being an idiot. But anyway, like I say, in the long and short of it is, I think having a deposit system on the site is good, but also on the other side is that, like I said, you've just got to be aware that anything you deposit in here, there's no guarantee. There's no 100% guarantee that you're going to make that back and then more on top as a profit. And just bear that in mind that, so just don't spend money that you, like I say, that you can't afford to lose. Okay, so obviously any comments, any feedback, any insights that you have about the deposit system coming, or it might be available on your account right now, stick in the post below. Let me know what your thoughts are, and are you planning to deposit? So I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found that helpful and informative. I know it was quick, but I just wanted to bring that to you to let you know what was going on. And obviously, if you are interested in that tutorial that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, it really does support my channel, which then helps me make more content to help you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.